Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Today, we're looking at training methods and how businesses ensure employees develop the skills needed for success. Effective training improves productivity, motivation, and job satisfaction, reducing costly mistakes and employee turnover. Training can be classified into on-the-job training and off-the-job training, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. On-the-job training happens in the workplace while the employee performs their job. The employee learns through shadowing, coaching, mentoring, or job rotation. One common example is a retail assistant being trained by a more experienced colleague on how to use the till, handle customer queries, and process refunds. One benefit of on-the-job training is that it is cost-effective since businesses do not have to pay for external trainers or courses. Employees learn practical skills in a real work environment, making the training more relevant to their job. It also helps them settle in quickly and feel more confident in their role. However, on-the-job training relies on the ability of the trainer, which can lead to inconsistencies in learning. A busy work environment may not always be the best place for training, as experienced employees may struggle to balance training and their own workload. If training is rushed, mistakes can happen, affecting customers and business operations. Off-the-job training happens away from the workplace and includes workshops, conferences, online courses, and professional qualifications. For example, a business might send managers to leadership training courses or provide customer service staff with external communication skills training. One key benefit is that off-the-job training is often delivered by experts, meaning employees receive structured and high-quality learning. It is particularly useful for specialist skills that cannot be taught easily on the job, such as learning advanced IT software or financial analysis. However, off-the-job training can be expensive because businesses may need to pay for trainers, travel, or accommodation. Employees are also away from their regular duties, which could temporarily impact productivity. Another downside is that employees may struggle to apply theoretical knowledge to real workplace scenarios. Businesses often combine both methods to get the best results. For example, an apprentice might learn basic skills in a classroom setting off the job and then practice them with a mentor in the workplace on the job. This blended approach ensures employees gain both knowledge and practical experience. Choosing the right training method depends on the nature of the job, the skills needed, and the budget available. Businesses must balance cost, effectiveness, and employee needs when deciding how to train their workforce. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'll be happy to respond to your questions.